In this video, I'll guide you through how to choose the right Facebook ad objective for your business, ensuring your campaigns are set up for success from the start. Do you want to run effective Facebook ads but feel unsure which objective to select to achieve your specific business goals? No worries. Picking the correct objective is foundational to reaching the right audience and getting the results you desire, whether it's more website traffic, leads, or sales. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Now let's get started on choosing the right Facebook ad objective. Before you even touch the buttons in Ads Manager, it's vital to have a clear plan. Think of this as your roadmap to success with Facebook advertising. The first crucial step is to define what you want to achieve with your advertising. Facebook Ads Manager offers various campaign objectives designed to help you reach specific outcomes. It's absolutely critical to align your chosen campaign objective with your overall business goals. Don't just pick one randomly. Ask yourself, what do I ultimately want my advertising to do for my business? Your objective will influence how Facebook delivers your ads and who they show them to, so choose wisely. Let's go through some of the most common objectives. First, awareness. This objective is all about reaching people who are more likely to remember your brand. You'll typically choose this if your primary goal is to increase brand recognition or reach a broad audience. For example, a new business launching in Los Angeles might choose brand awareness to get their name out there. Then there's traffic. If your main goal is to drive people to a specific website, landing page, app, or even a Facebook event, then the traffic objective is for you. For instance, a blogger in London launching a new article would use traffic to get readers to their website. Next up is engagement. This objective focuses on getting people to interact with your content. This could include likes, comments, shares, event responses, or page likes. A local community group in Brisbane might use engagement to increase participation in their events. If you're looking to collect contact information from potential customers, such as email addresses or phone numbers, the leads objective is ideal. This often involves using lead forms directly within Facebook. A real estate agent in Toronto could use leads to gather inquiries about new properties. For businesses focused on e-commerce, the sales objective aims to drive conversions on your website, in your app, or in catalogs. An online fashion store in New Delhi would use sales to encourage purchases of their products. There's also app promotion, designed to help you get more installs and engage with users if you have a mobile app. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with the importance of aligning your objective with your business goals. The key takeaway here is that each objective is optimized by Facebook's algorithm to achieve a specific result. Choosing the right one ensures Facebook's system works for you, delivering your ads to the users most likely to complete your desired action. This alignment between your objective and your business goal is fundamental for maximizing your ad spend and achieving success. For my complete guide on how to run Facebook ads like a pro, click this card here. Check the description below for more Facebook ad tips and explore other helpful video tutorials. If you found this video valuable and you want to see more, consider subscribing and liking the video. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Click this card here for more Facebook video tutorials. Thanks for watching.